What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on a 1965 Mustang Convertible. It does have the 6-cylinder under the hood. This car drives awesome. I was in the middle of a test drive, pulled off in this parking lot just to do a walk around, pointing out any kind of flaws on the outside, checking the interior out, the trunk. And since we're back here by the trunk, we'll go ahead and check it out. And guys, if you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of these cars. Financing options. If you get pre-approved now, in the future you see something, when we post on Mondays, you can just go ahead and get your car. So definitely check that out. There's a little bit of moisture in the trunk here. Looks like some water is getting in. Normally that would be from your back window, but with it having a convertible top, it could have some leaks back there as well. The trunk does look very solid, even though it does have a little bit of moisture. But one thing about these cars, they're normally sitting in a garage, not on a car lot. So picking up a little bit of water, and we'll let you know about that. Looks like a fairly new gas tank. We do got the boot that goes on the convertible top. We're gonna be looking up in here, make sure there's no rust. This looks fairly solid. Doesn't look like any issues there. We'll go ahead and shut the trunk down here in a second. We do got fairly new weather stripping. But what I was saying, if you check out maplemotors.com, we also have shipping available. We can ship anywhere in the country. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I went ahead and popped the hood and the trunk so I'm not flipping the camera around. Starting up here in the front, so you can see it's nice and clean. The bumper's not perfect. It does have light scratches in it. It's not brand new. Looking down the side, it looks fairly straight. If I see any scratches, chips, bubbles in the paint, rust, anything I see, I'll let you know. The trim's in great shape around the windows. Usually this has a lot of rust from the moisture gets trapped between the top. You can see a little bit of it popping up, not much. You could probably get that off of steel wool. Looking down the side, it's looking nice and clean. There's a crack down here at the bottom of the corner of the door. I'm zooming in on it. They got the rack on the trunk here. Some people like them, some people don't. Gives you extra storage. They're easy to take off, and they have caps made for the holes that it would leave. Rear bumper actually looks like it's been replaced. It's not perfect though. You can see where it's got some rub marks here and here. Tail lights are in great shape. Going slow so I can try to catch everything. I noticed on the top, it's not in the best condition, but it's not all ripped up, but you can see on the inside, it has some age on it. If you check out my test drive video, you can see the top up. Looking down the side of the car, it's in good shape. There's a little dimple there in the paint. All right, had a lady stop. She was in love with the car. Had to talk with her a second. A little crack in the front end here from the paint. Up under the hood is very clean. As you can see, the motor's nice and shiny. Got good paint on it. Let's go ahead and check this interior out now. Might as well just start up here. I love the designs that are in the back seat. They need to put those in the newer ones. Very cool. Got some Sony speakers down in the corners. Go ahead, place your bets. You think the horn works? Let's open her up. Looking at the door panel here, they did touch up this door handle. Looks like it had some wear and they got some glue out. It doesn't look horrible. It's not great though. That's something that I would replace. Weather stripping looks good around the door. The carpet's been in here a while. You can see it's sun faded. Get real close and show you. Seat's not all tore up. It looks good. Y'all place your bets on the horn? Let's try it. It works. The dash has got some wrinkles in it from the sun. This is a turnkey car. Starts right up. You see the temp gauge is coming up. Amps is coming up. All the gauges work in this one. It's showing 98,000 miles, which could very possibly be accurate. Oil pressure's coming up. See it slowly move. And the gas gauge was working. Wipers work on this car as well as the radio. And the blower motor. No AC on this one. This little piece here is broke. They got it sitting on top and it's very hot from the sun. Come on, open up. You got your ashtray here with some guitar picks. Sorry guys, I'm taking those. PV, Gibson, I'm in. What's we got here? Maybe some more goodies? Nope. All right. Go ahead and shut the hood down, let you see what that looks like. Shuts down really easy. It lines up very well. I don't see any dent scratches on the hood at all. It's a good looking Mustang. I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots here in a second. You can also check out close to 100 detailed pictures on my website, so definitely do that. We'll start up here in the front. We're gonna go around the car with some undercarriage shots, and I'm gonna get back to my test drive. So definitely watch the test drive video. Last 30 seconds of this video will send you right over there. Here we go. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. Hey, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos like this every single day. Like I said a second ago, I'm gonna get back to doing my test drive videos and a whole lot more cars to come. We've bought 8 this week and next Monday's gonna be a good update, so check that out. Definitely hit up maplemotors.com for more information or give us a call, 615-822-4444. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again.